Take a moment to check out the 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 250,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Grand Cherokee keeps you safe, connected, and entertained while you explore your world in confidence and refined luxury. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, cooled front seat, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, wood grain interior trim, heated mirrors, satellite radio. Experience the freedom of off-road exploration in the Grand Cherokee. Take a test drive today.